All right, ladies and gentlemen, like round two. It's kind of boring down here, but you got all kinds of cool stuff. Sue Ellen's disappointed in the behaviors. And we're gonna walk back up. We have like a couple stores like on a main street, so when you're spoiled, like we went down to Virginia Beach yesterday when we were at Ocean City. This is okay, but like stores like this, I would I'd be open today. I would. It's a nice little place. Call it Cowboys Place. At least for lunch. Boardwalk Plaza Hotel. That looks nice. Very nice. Born 1485, died 1958. Oh my. Let's see. Sit out here. It's windy today, but not overly cold.
See?
Cool.
You see? That was
I don't know if those are old docks out there or not. They're what they are out there. Or they break up the waves, I have no idea. They put the whole family in there. I wonder how much a night for this place. Nice hotel. Oh goodness. But you can kind of tell it's quiet. I mean, down in Virginia Beach yesterday, we were down there. It was
everything was open.
everything was open. So that one ice cream place, it wasn't open. But
I don't know if that's opened at all because
right,
remember it wasn't last year and we were there later.
right. So they're kind of getting ready for the onslaught. Yet. A nice little pool here for this place. See, I'd have this place open, this tiki hut. Some Bloody Marys. That's kind of a cool place. Yep.
And the owner, I'll do it because then I don't have to pay someone's wage.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Too bad. Established in 2020, right during the pandemic. And they're building a little, I can't pronounce it. Beach Patrol, Delaware, 100th anniversary. The plagiarizer was in town, I guess, yesterday, back at the White House. When this comes out, we'll see if he's the another 4 more years, huh? Or if the hunch got in, it's the 47th. Who knows? But see a lot of these pizza places. Second one in this area, one on the street. When you come in, you kind of tell it. Nothing's open. What the menu looks like. All right, go ahead. Not open yet. Legendary paste. Hmm, 15-year-old mine, I think. Yeah, go on in there. The video games. Well. Beach is pretty full, people. You can kind of see the we got all kinds of stores down here, over here. Candy and stuff. Lots of stores. Everything's more cheaper down here. I do got to get a rock star.
They were walking all wide, and I got all the way over.
Nope, no park until the 15th. I mean, no paying for it, so we're good on that. I like that. Jewelry, t-shirts. I love sluts. Money. There's one that actually said I like porn. I'm like, oh my god. All kinds of t-shirts. You can see tons of them. I didn't come to want to. Sorry, I'm late. I didn't want to come. Grab and go window. More stores. There's restrooms right over here too as well. I'll use whatever we get out of here. Nothing for $5, what's that tell you? A lot of skateboards they have, but you can tell they have all kinds of stuff here, even a Subway. But we'll cruise over here real quick to the other side. So there's another Grotto Pizza. Ooh, British fish and chips. So we'll cruise over here. Yeah. Goes all the way down there, like a main street. I'm gonna buy a shirt in the store over here. So but, for Ashford's French fries. Sorry, we're closed. Well, you give it on a business. So, anyways, guys, little nickel tour. I love fish and chips. I don't know if I go in here and buy something. I have a shirt that I want to get. They have a nice, inexpensive. So, never dreamed to be growing up being too super sexy pontoon captain, but I'm killing it. So true. And they got it. Anyways, guys. Surf's up, man. All kinds of fun stuff. All right. We'll see you in the next one.